everyone, my name is Victoria and I'm an educator and camp counselor with Lowell Observatory, and I have another really fun science challenge for you guys. This time around we will be making Rube Goldberg machines. Rube Goldberg was an American cartoonist who designed all of these really wild machines that would perform an ordinary task like turning on a light. But instead of just turning on the light like you normally would, he created a machine that would go through a series of different steps in order to turn on the light. And all of these steps use principles of physics like energy and momentum to move. We would like you to create your own Rube Goldberg machine. You can do whatever task you might like, anything from watering a plant to feeding a cat or even turning on a light like I did. Your first step is to plan what you'd like to do. So here I drew a rough sketch of my Rube Goldberg machine. You might find it useful to work backwards. So I knew I wanted to turn on the light, and I did the next step backwards from that. You can also plan from the beginning if you'd like to. Here, for my Rube Goldberg machine, I'll cut a string and that will knock this hammer over, and the hammer will roll a candle over, and that will turn the little knob on the lamp and turn it on. Next, you want to list your materials that you'll need and go find them. You probably won't need to buy anything, and instead try using things you can find around the house. Make sure you ask your parents first, though. So, after that, set up your Rube Goldberg machine and test it. So here, let's test it and see if mine works. I'm going to cut this string and, oh, didn't work. So the first time didn't work, but that's okay. And instead I've made some modifications, and now instead of just having the hammer knock over the candle, when I cut this string, the hammer should fall, and that will take this book and the candle balanced on top of it, tumbling down with it. So, let's see. Remember to share your ideas, your plans, and your final machines with us at Lowell Observatory. We're really excited to see what you have to come up with. Feel free to make yours as intricate and long as you'd like. I only spent an hour on this, but we have a whole schedule for you that you can take up to a week to build your machine and be creative with it. A lot of science is about being creative and thinking outside the box.